What's your name?
It's Denji, ma'am.
Make a mental note, Denji. You have agreed to become my pet, so you're officially under my care now. Which means woof or yes are all you say. Things like no don't come out of my dogs.
You're kidding, right? Where's the udon? Can I please dig in?
Sure. I have to ask, though. Think you're really up to it?
Of course I'm gonna need help.
Here, say Like it? It's endearing to see someone enjoy soggy udon this much. You're a good boy, aren't you? No different than a trained dog.